Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cryptocurrency portfolio with Coinbase. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Coinbase website. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and set a secure password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new Coinbase account. Now, complete the identity verification process by providing the required information. Once verified, link your bank account or credit card for funding your purchases. Navigate to the Buy section on the dashboard. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to add to your portfolio. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and review the details. Click on the Buy Now button to complete the transaction. Head to the Portfolio tab to view all your cryptocurrency holdings. Explore additional cryptocurrencies by searching or browsing through the available options. If you wish to diversify, consider purchasing different coins. For each new investment, repeat the buying process as needed. Track your portfolio's performance within the Coinbase app or website. Review the price movements and make adjustments to your investments as you see fit. Ensure you stay updated on market trends and news related to your assets. Keep your investment strategy aligned with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.